In this video, I'm going to help you fix your lag in Arattai app. If Arattai isn't opening or it's loading very much slow, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that's going to help you fix this. So now the first method is, let's open Google Play Store here. Good. And on Play Store, we need to do is we search for Arattai here. We search for that. We type on that. Good. And this is the app. Good. And here, what we'll be doing here is you're going to search whether we are going to see an update. So in this case, there is no update for the app here. So the app needs to be working perfectly. So if there is an update, we just need to update the app and then relaunch it and see whether it's going to work properly. If this doesn't work, if you're on Android, you move to your settings here. Good. And you move to your apps on your mobile phone. So now let's scroll, and this is Arattai. Now let's launch it. So the second option, what we are going to do is we are going to clear the data usage and the storage. Good. So you can see the storage here, just tap on that. Good. So the first thing we are going to do is clear the cache. So clear the cache here. Good. And then the second option is if the app is not working at all, you can clear your data, but then take note that when you clear your data, you're going to lose your account, everything you've signed up and your messages and all that, you're going to lose it. So I don't recommend you clear your data, but then you come back here, and if you need to give it some permissions, you just tap on here and you just enable the permissions like your mobile phone, your location. You can turn that off, but then I think you can turn all these on here. And then you reopen your app to see whether it's going to work. If it's not working, the third option, just hop on Google Play Store again. And what you're going to do is you uninstall the app like this. And then after that, you reinstall it and then you sign up again and it's going to work perfectly. So that's it on how you fix your lagging or your slow Arattai Messenger app. If you are new here, you give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.